Recently I purchased one of these, like this. This is a petg from Creality, spool free filament, like they say. Uh, so you need reusable spool for this kind of filaments, and price of these filaments is like almost half of price of full filament. That I have purchased filament like this. When I spend this, I will be left over with this spool or from made from recycled paper or whatever. It's pretty tough one. So I decided to build my own reusable spool for refill filament spools. Like this, you see now how it working at my printer. So in FreeCad I did projected this. This is central part of the spool. Exactly how I build it you see now inside. It's pretty strong and tough part with three hot inserts for a 3mm screw. After all, I exported it into orca slicer. You see how it go, and printed it. Just a little sneak peek on printer process on my printer, how it going. Pretty nice and smooth, I would say. So this is a finished inner part of my reusable spool. Um, what I need to do now is to place these hot inserts in it. Sorry for my camera a little going out of focus from time to time. So I placed a hot insert at the beginning of the hole, and with soldering iron with special tip at the top of soldering iron, I pressed into plastic hot inserts, which at the end looks like this. And now we're going to build everything else, so we have final product, new reusable spool. This is made by Creality Hyper petg filament. There are PLA as well. Same package. I got it from Temu. Created middle part of spool and decided to use sides of this filament, like I don't want to break it, so I will take a razor blade and cut a bit here. This is how I remove it. It doesn't mean anything if you remove this outer layer of card. It means nothing, and we'll do same with other side as well. This one gone better. So this is glue. I need to remove that glue because this need to be flat surface, fully flat surface. We don't want to make spool which will dance around while rotating. That's enough. So okay. So now, as you have seen already, I created this, but what I do need now is to center this exactly on this screw. And how I will do it? piece of paper and graphite pencil. So I will do it like this. Keep it like this. Just so I can cut this. I need edges to be clean. So edges are clean, as you can see. This. Now take the pencil and do like this. You see? You see this? You see this method, how it's good? I also wanna see exactly where edge is. Inner edge and outer edge. So we got it, as you can see. Now I will just make my life easier with scissors. And now we need stronger light below. Here it is. When I place it like this and place it like this, I can center this inner circle very well. You see? See this trick? Do you like it? Now we'll take my razor blade and just press in middle of every marked hole. That's it. We have 3 dots here. We will take 3.2 millimeters bit for drilling machine and drilling machine. So, as I told you, I have 3 marks on here. Easy to drill. This is card. But do not press too much. You see how it go from this on this side. That is not big deal. All good. Because it's tough enough for what we do. So this is the screws I going to use for this. Let me just try if all good, then I will show you how I fix other side. How I drilled these holes. Now this. So this glue and hardener for the glue. That's the winning combination here. Glue going to be applied like here. All the way around. Why glue here? Because hardener will go inside the card, and hardener. There we go. Everything ready. Now We need to be precision have to be our, and we did it. How long we going to keep? Just like 5 to 10 seconds. There we go. You see? It doesn't wobbling when rotating. You see? So it's good. There is some residue here, so I will use piece of paper and remove what I can, but it's already hardened. Because it can affect rotation of spool. Chemical reaction smelling terrible, I can tell you that. Of these two components as glue. I will remove it with no, please no. It's stuck on my finger. There we go. So this is how I'm making because when you need to place new, just unscrew this screw. You see how easy it is. We are done. That is how it goes. Easy, refill, reusable spool. You do not need to buy one. You do not need to print 24 hours print. You can build it easy. Buy one spool like this, use it. After you spent it, keep this, and maybe you can use even plastic spool, but cutting around here will be harder. Maybe even I don't know. I always use these spools, so that is how it go. All what you need for this, like this center part of the spool, I will place links where you can download. I will place link to STL file as well to the FreeCad file. If you do need to modify something, feel free to do it. Maybe to make it better or whatever. I don't care. You can modify it as you wish. You can build it as you wish. Remember, I printed this inner part from petg filament, and I ruled out squishing rule for petg filaments on my KE printer, Ender 3 KE. That rule is all circular object need to have a plus 0.3 millimeters added to the FreeCAD radius sizes, because that is factor how much petg will shrink when cool down. That is what I have found when I was building things like this. This is hose adapter for my vacuum cleaner, and I don't know if this is for router or some other machine, but that is hose. This side go to the vacuum cleaner, this side goes to the, I think, router, and it fits very well. But to find, I was printing small rings to find exact tolerance, how much I need to add to the sizes in FreeCAD, so I get exact size which I need. So all circular object, it doesn't matter if it is inner circle here or outer circle, all sizes are plus 0.3 millimeters. So keep that in mind. FreeCAD file which you get and STL file have that tolerance added to the final product final. And if your printer working different, and if you cannot accept that, feel free to modify FreeCAD file, and FreeCAD 1.1 is used. Feel free to modify it at your need. I have nothing against. You can share these files with whoever you want, to do whatever you want with them. There is nothing I ask in return. That is all from me today in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you very soon with a new video.